Another prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu concerning the ongoing trial. You know that Nnamdi Kanu has no court case with Nigeria government. Just that Nigeria government are desperate to jail Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in order to silence the Biafra agitation and the Igbos as large. But here is the prophecy, shocking one, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made 2017. He said it clear that Nigeria government are coming for Justice Binta Nyako and his husband and his son in order to pressure her to jail Nnamdi Kanu. But today, do you know what is currently happening right now in Enugu? That the Funanis, they say the women for inside Enugu don't cry, come outside, say that the Funanis don't finally take over their land and they don't buy many of their loved ones. This is the happen for Enugu as we talk right now. I'm going to show you the video. My people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Please share this video and make sure say you turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you'll be the first person we're going to get on the update. And share the video, very, very important. Let's jump into the matter we will get for our hand today. I want to play you this voice of the prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said concerning all this whole trial that the Nigeria government are claiming they are trying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But the truth is that one thing they have to know is that 1960 cannot be 2024. No, it can never be. Those warriors who fall have rise with a heavily force. You can't stop them. You cannot stop them. Since that, when you come to the issue of bandits, issue of herdsmen, you people go and dialogue. But when it comes to the issue of anything concerning the Igbos, Biafra, you people will say, wipe them off. That narrative, we are going to change it. But one thing that Nigeria government forget is that they forget this thing, very, very important, but they have to know it now. You see, this thing people are making, the monsters have already been created. But when they will unleash from their chains, their cage, you will live to regret it. You know how? Because what is coming is bigger than you. Dialogue now is CND. Do not create a place where your children will be pee when they see Biafra children coming. They will be running for life because of what you people are creating. Let's listen to this voice before we come back and continue.
The more evil you are, the more you rise up in the judiciary. That is why they want to blackmail Binta and Nyako into oblivion. Because of me, they arrested Binta and Nyako's husband and son. They claim they are being tried by EFCC. So that if Binta and Nyako were to acquit me, they will jail the husband and the child. That is how evil the zoo is. That's how bad they are. But she courageously gave me bail. She knew I did nothing wrong. She knew it. They were pressuring her. Revoke his bail. And she said no. They have done nothing wrong. They don't know all these things. They called her to a meeting in Maiduguri where they were insulting her. That didn't work. They took her to another meeting in Søn.To where they called all the northern, I don't know if I'll call them leaders, to be insulting her because of me. That she should have jailed me. That nothing will happen. That Igbo leaders have signed up to it. That Ohaneze is with them. Ohaneze and Dioshi. I will come to the meetings they've been holding against me and IPOB later on. But Binta and Nyako stood strong. I'm not sure at all that the intimidation she's been forced to endure will ever stop. I don't think so. Good people like that never get to become the chief judge of the federation. Kafarati Abdul Kafarati killed Kesarawiwa. Today he is the chief judge of the High Court of Nigeria. He granted ex parte motion to the government of Nigeria designating me a terrorist. He was rewarded. And I'm sure they're saying to Binta and Nyako, if you jail him or convict him, there is a reward for you. Do you see how Nigeria works? They don't understand what justice and law is all about. No. These are black, evil people from Africa. Evil people. Darkness and evil. We must continue. I remember this very evening, Kesarawiwa, Dr. Barine Kyobel, Mr. Baribo Bera, Mr. Nudu Lewu, Dr. Felix Nuate, Mr. John Puine, Mr. Samuel Orage, Mr. Paul Lebura, and Mr. David Boko. May their soul rest in peace. They are freedom fighters for Ogoni. And we are going to get it. And Ogoni will be free. Ogoni will be autonomous. Ogoni will elect their own leaders. Ogoni will control the resources in their land. They will control it. We are getting there. So they shouldn't despair. We remember these brave and gallant men. Have you forgotten that Dasuki and El Zagzagi are still in prison? Have you forgotten that innocent IPOB family members are still in jail? Why are they in prison? Did the court say that Dasuki should be freed on bail? Yes. Did the court say that El Zagzagi and the wife should be freed on bail? The answer is yes. Now ask yourself this question. What are all the judges in Nigeria doing? Why haven't they gone on strike to say if you cannot obey simple court order, our job is meaningless? But no, they will run to John Soho, that most corrupt of all the corrupt judges in the zoo, to go and buy another ex parte motion. I'm coming to that because I'll demolish it. See, you know, here we don't hide anything. We're IPOB. Everything is open. Everything is out in the open. I have no secret. Dasuki and Essex are still in jail. They must be released. They never took them to Binta and Nyako, Nnamdi Kanu, Justice Kolawale, Justice Ademola. These are good judges in Nigeria, I'm telling you. They will not take them to these judges. Because when Binta and Nyako gives you bail, Binta and Nyako will tell the people there, he has bail. Don't go near his house, so don't do anything. But of course, they defied her. They came to kill me. Because they didn't want to take my men to Abuja. I promised them I was going to bring 2 million men. And they know I would do it. Instead, they chose to come to kill me. When some reporters that are writing for Tinubu Nation newspaper, when they report it, you wouldn't know. You would say, oh, Nnamdi Kanu, where is he? Did he jump bail? Tinubu's newspaper will not tell you that the army came to kill me and killed 28 people in the process. No, they won't tell you that. And they want me to be in the same country with them. Hypocrites and liars. Evil people. Some people shouldn't practice journalism in Nigeria, honestly. Do you see how evil the politicians are? That is how some journalists are. They see the truth and they twist it upside down because they're evil. Or because they don't want Biafra to be free. Because of my case, as I said earlier, Justice Binta Nyako is under the radar and being watched.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as I've watched that video. The question is, all this money, all these Igbos who are selling their brothers are gathering, where are you going with that money? Is it when they tell you that you cannot drink that beer you used to go and drink? You cannot move around freely. You have to hit your head in the ground 7 times in a day. If you don't do it, they will chop off your head. Is it when you will be in this situation that you are going to enjoy the freedom, the life you are living now? I'm asking you people, because all these things you are selling out to the Igbos, selling out Biafra, you hate them, they should not talk about it. When they finally got you to the point of Islamization and you become Islamic country, Islamic state of Nigeria, your freedom you are enjoying now will be gone. I want you to watch this video and see what our women are saying in this particular place in Enugu State. I'm going to play you the video. We'll come back and talk about it.
Anyị bụ ndị omehala ile anyị na-akwarụ gị ekwa anyị sigo nụrụ ekwa anyị nụrụ ekwa ụmụ anyị bụ ndị agha eke eji anyị fụtara ụwa anyị anụgụrụ anyị le Fulani nwere oke ala anyị si Fulani bịarụba anyị na-egbe anyị gaba ego unye anyị gabụ nkọ ihe niile anyị enwe ego nwene anyị ala ego ji anyị ama ego nwa anyị so alụcha ụda ọsọ Fulani keha ọ bụ nwoke ọ bụ nwanyị galile ha ji ha ndị ka ha dọ alụcha ude ha anyị si ndị niile bụ ndị igwe na anụna bale ha niile ndị ka ha dụ ihe na-eme anyị le ha alụlo ya anyị si ndị niile bụ ndị olowu le ha na nwa Undu nule ego, leji youth, ale haboye. Aniso, undu nile bundu chief, burundu chairman, galilo nye de chikere, na kaya duliyana, alulo. Ale hanampanyo, ani kumani vrabom. Ani mete ani.
Don't worry. Madam Kuka. Apa bu boyu shi? Kuka. Genuche. Madam Kaduka. Aha. Karibu ebe wonu. Aya de ga log, aya de no. Me bi we mo no da. We bi sha. Mo ko ma li la kauka. Nla karibu we bi sha. Ni no da. Obulo bi aye ile no. Ya, stop there. Hey, kanya mari we abia. We la bu we ni. This is the one of carrying machine ya na. I don't know. Ammonia ebo. Onye ebo be mobo. Ihe anyị bịara. Le ndị ade ha shitere anyị. Sile ihe le mele ba anyị. Loga le wute ha. Si anyị bịa karụ igwe. Ihe le mele ba anyị le wute ha. Dudu ụtụ ha la atọ le shegala fogo. Maka ihe le eme. La akpọrọ ha shehele Fulani ri la duoroi. Mai no le nwanyị do nwere ụmụ anyị na-abụ ofuru lebo le hala le guteta ma ọzọ ye le Fulani na tahi anyị na nya dị ga-eji ihe eji emeti ihe lebe anyị ma ụlọ anyị niile lekpekore mgbe shikpo ya anyị vu kpe niile anyị ji bụrụ mmadụ lego ekweghị anyị lego laka anyị la leha lego laka anyị la lebo ya bụ ihe anyị ji bịa kwarekwa bịa igwe gụnyere anyị ka nụrụla anyị la anyị aka ego Fulani lebe anyị na ọ bụrụ na Fulani n'ọba anyị ọ na-eri ihe anyị n'ogbe ominigila anyị na-ekpe n'oge le ha na-emebi ihe anyị ma ha na-eri ihe anyị ma ha na-egbe anyị ma ha na-achị anyị ọsọ na ọ banụgo uru la anyị na-ehepi la agwọ le mmadụ adịghị ebo agbata obi le ala anyị la anyị achọghị ore.
The governor Peter Mba, I want to ask you one question. How many settlements where you rear your goat and your fowl have Fulani given you in their own land? They may give you, of course, because they know you cannot do nothing. When you talk, they take it back by force. So the governor of Enugu State should retreat his relationship with the Fulanis because they have no good agenda to the Southeasterners. Since you people say you want to die in one Nigeria, then allow people to live in their peaceful way with joining them with another problem they are facing now. Don't join them with another one. This part of Enugu State have to be defended at all costs because of this demonstration that these women have made. My people, share this video for more updates and make sure you follow this channel, subscribe and turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person we're going to get the update. Do not forget to drop your own opinion in the comment section.